If you have completed lessons 1 to 10, you already have a real foundation. You can say what you want, 我要, this one, that one, 这个,那个, and how you feel. For example, 我很忙,我很累, and what you do. 我吃饭,我喝茶, or where you are. 我在,我在这,我在那, and many other things. Today we start series 2 in a very gentle way. We are not going to add a lot of new vocabulary. We're going to take some familiar words and make them more powerful and find other uses for them in different contexts. This lesson has 2 goals. First, we revise your key time words with 天, 天. Second, we will use a small set of everyday nouns to train your tone pairs. Remember, tone pairs in a natural way. So your Chinese starts to sound lighter, clearer, and more confident. Before we begin, please turn on the captions if you need in your language. These English captions are prepared by me for you, and YouTube auto translates to your language. But your job is simple. Listen carefully. Try not to rely on the subtitles if you can. Repeat out loud and let your ears hear and your mouth to repeat and speak the rhythm. This channel is designed to train your ears and mouth first. Use subtitles and text as support, not as the main focus. Try to listen once without looking and then repeat out loud. Let's start with some time words. Listen first, then repeat. 今天,今天. Tone 1, tone 1. 今天, today. 昨天,昨天,昨天. 2-1. Yesterday. 今天,昨天, and 明天,明天. So 今天,昨天, 明天. Today, yesterday, and tomorrow. Good. Now I want you to notice the tone shapes. 今天, first tone, high and steady. 昨天, 明天, a second tone, then first tone. They rise and then stay level. 昨天, 明天. Don't overthink it. Just copy the music of the tones. I have specific tone lessons. Those tone lessons and pronunciation lessons help you isolate and feel these patterns clearly, then bring them back into real sentences like these. Now we add 2 very useful life words. They are words you use when you talk about your real life. 每天,每天, or 天天. So 3-1, 每天 means every day. 天天 also means every day, but it is a little more spoken, a little more casual, used in everyday speech. 天天, 1-1. Now listen to the tone pairs here. 每天 is third tone, then first tone. Low and steady, then high and steady. Remember the lesson about tones 1 and 3? They are a music tone. 每天,每天,每天. So it's Now you're going to connect the time words with daily actions. To do that, we'll use 4 very practical nouns. These are things most people have in their life: coffee, tea, water, and food, which also covers all the 4 tones. First, listen and repeat the nouns. 咖啡, coffee sounds like coffee. 咖啡 茶 茶 is tea. 水 low 水 and 饭 饭 rice. So you have coffee, tea, water, and rice. 咖啡茶水饭 Good. So 咖啡 is first tone, very steady, and cha is second tone. Remember the second tone lesson that we have, it's a question mark. Cha, who, me, that's it. And the third tone is dependent on your first tone. So if your first tone is here, he, and then shui, he, shui, and fan is the fourth tone falling. So just four words, but they cover all the tones and all the feeling of the tones. Now we put them into simple phrases and sentences you can actually say and use every day. We'll also use he to drink, 吃 to eat. So those are from lessons 6. He, first tone if you can listen. 吃 also first tone. Okay, listen. 喝咖啡，喝茶，喝水，吃饭. Now repeat again with me, slowly with clean tones. 喝咖啡，喝茶，喝水，吃饭. There you are. And a bit faster. 喝咖啡，喝茶，喝水，吃饭. Excellent. Notice what we are doing here. We are also practicing tone pairs, but it doesn't feel like a drill because they are everyday phrases. This is exactly how I recommend learning Chinese. Listen first, speak out loud, and let your mouth learn the rhythm naturally. Now let's put them all together in complete sentences and build your confidence. Listen and repeat. 今天我喝咖啡。今天我喝咖啡。Good. Now the same structure with tea. 明天我喝茶。明天我喝茶。Now with water. 昨天 yesterday. 昨天我喝水。昨天我喝水。昨天我喝水。And now faster. 昨天我喝水。And with the food. 昨天、今天、明天，我吃饭。Yesterday, today, and tomorrow I eat rice. 昨天、今天、明天，我吃饭。Great. You have already said 4 natural sentences. Now we revise yesterday and tomorrow with the same simple pattern. Listen carefully and copy. 昨天我休息。昨天我休息。Rest. Yesterday I rest. 今天我听音乐。今天我听音乐。Today I listen to music. 明天我工作。昨天我休息。今天我听音乐。明天 tomorrow 我工作。You can replace 我 with anyone. 他工作。昨天他工作。明天他休息。Practice with different people you know. Teacher, 老师，学生 family members, 爸爸，妈妈，哥哥，姐姐，妹妹。老师每天喝茶。哥哥天天喝茶。我天天喝水。There you are. 老师 teacher. 哥哥 brother. 我 I. You can use 天天 every day or 每天 also every day. So excellent. Now you can speak in 2 modes. You can speak about a day, you can speak about a habit. 喝茶吃饭休息工作 听音乐 listen to music. Now let's do a few more and keep them calm and clear. Now revise. 昨天、今天、明天，我吃饭。Very common in Chinese people. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, I eat rice. 我吃饭。昨天、今天、明天 you can learn that as a phrase. 昨天、今天、明天 and so when you say 昨天、今天、明天我吃饭 you're actually saying 我每天吃饭 I eat rice every day. Or 我天天吃饭我每天吃饭我天天吃饭 Good. Now, one more important idea for natural speech. In Series 1, you learned 在 for location, for actions happening right now. We keep that. It is still very useful, but today I want you to feel the difference between speaking about now and speaking about in general. Now is 在, in general is without 在. Just listen. Don't worry about repeating. 我吃饭，我吃饭，我在吃饭。Hear the difference? 我在吃饭。I am eating rice now. Or I eat rice, that's in general. Yes, I eat rice. 我在吃饭. I'm eating rice now, basically. You can repeat now. 我吃饭。我在吃饭. This is one first general thing. It's just a simple fact. The second one feels like right now, 在 at this moment. Now let's do the same with drinking tea. 我喝茶. I drink tea in general. 我在喝茶. What are you doing? 我在喝茶. I'm drinking tea now. 我喝茶. 我在喝茶. Good. Now, you don't need to memorize a rule or any rule. Just notice the feeling. And when you want to show right now, 在 is the tool. 我明天工作。我在工作。我天天休息。I rest every day. Yeah, like that. 我天天休息。Beautiful. That's real Chinese. Short, clear, and useful. So you did a lot today, but it should feel light. You revised today, yesterday, tomorrow, or yesterday, today, tomorrow. 昨天,今天,明天. You added two powerful life words. 天天 or 每天.我每天工作. I work every day. 我天天工作. And you train your tone pairs through real life phrases. 喝咖啡，喝茶，喝水，吃饭。You can't drink rice, you eat rice. 喝饭 wrong. 吃饭 correct. Keep practicing out loud. Play this lesson again while you're walking, cooking, or driving. Just repeat. A few minutes every day is enough. Speaking is like a muscle. You have to use it and it gets stronger. If this lesson helps you, please support this young channel. Like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone in your class who's also learning Chinese. It really helps this course grow. In lesson 12, we'll keep building this life mode so you can talk more naturally about what you do, not just what you're doing right now. Keep using these lessons to train your ears and your mouth and let reading and writing support your speaking and not replace it, not replace it. See you in the next lesson.